In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a receipt using Quick Receipt software. In the main screen of Quick Receipt, select the folder where you want to create the new receipt. Click on the Receipt button located at the top of the screen. This will open the Receipt window. The Receipt window consists of 3 tabs. Start by the Document Details tab. Here, you can input the necessary information for the receipt. The date is set as today by default. The document number will be generated automatically according to the settings. You can manually enter the customer information or load it from the customer list if you have already saved customer details. You can manually input product information or load them from the item list by clicking the Load from Item List button. You can adjust the quantity and other information as needed. If applicable, you can set discounts and tax information under the subtotal section. The subtotal and total amount will be calculated automatically. You can also specify note or remarks information on the receipt. When you've finished preparing the document, click the Save button to save the receipt. To print the receipt, click on the Print button. If needed, you can convert the receipt into a packing list. Click on the Generate button to open the packing list window. In Private tab, you can set document status and add comment here. These information will not be shown in the receipt. Once document is printed, a copy will be saved and will be listed under the Printed Records tab. You can review the printed copy by clicking on the record. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently generate professional-looking receipts for your business.